Hello again, this is Christian Toth with Coachstop Motorworks. So for today's episode, we're going to try and look further into this heater core that I am 90% sure is leaking. Just to see it again on the engine side. You can see my two hoses here that go through the firewall, and the heater box on the inside is underneath here. So I see some little clips under here that I'm going to try to undo. Hopefully by just taking a flathead I can pop those clips off. Looks like up under here there's probably supposed to be a bolt holding it in. But like I said, I'm not really too sure. I haven't done this before, so you're going to be learning here again alongside me. So let's see what we can find out. Oh, good shot. All right, so it looks like I should probably take my glove box out. That way I can get a better idea of better access to it. So let's just take all this stuff out. Registration from like 10 years ago. Huh. Oh, this is hilarious. I think that was my planer back from my internship. Easily 10 to 12 years ago. What else we got in here? Some gum. More registration stuff. Oh, man. Yep. So, any younger viewers, this is an old, it's like the first flip phone. It's a Motorola Razr. It's probably back then I thought I was pretty cool. That's hilarious. Photos. What do we have in here? Oh! How about that? So this is from a while ago. You can tell I was using film, but pretty funny. Huh. Yeah, so clearly my grandfather must have taken these pictures because the quality is terrible. Oh man, that's kind of cool. So hold on to those, guys. Wow. Little trip back down in time. So this was back at the farm when I was 14, back in whatever, 16 years ago. Pretty cool. Pretty cool that my grandfather kept that. All right. Other stuff that we have. Huh. Whoa. This must be after I got it painted. like I said, it was just a Mako paint job. But when you're 16, looks pretty good. Yeah, that's what we just pulled out. This is pretty cool. Alright. I'm going to straighten this stuff out and empty out the glove box. And just take the 2 screws here and here. It's just cardboard. And we'll bring it out. So, something before I do take it out, I thought this was pretty cool. I figured I'd show you guys. Looks like the original owner's manual. It's pretty dirty. But pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna leave this out in the sun a bit. It's a little damp. But all right, let's get back to the glove compartment. All right, well, I got our stuff here. Looks like a bunch of my speaker wires and stuff I've routed in here. So let's snip those guys. All right. Let's undo that cable. Right here. This is for my this here is for my vent control to open and close the vent. So I think I realized where my radiators leak, or why I'm losing radiator fluid. Probably a good tell sign there. That's where it's coming from. Yeah, it's pretty wet in there. Some dust. But yeah, you can see all of the red antifreeze that was coming through there. So I was right about that, which I guess is good. So looks like what I need to do is those hoses right there, the red and the black one. Gonna undo those clamps, and hopefully I should be able to pull this out. Alright, so let's take a better look at what we have here. So, as you can see, this was definitely why I was getting what I thought was water inside my car, inside the Mustang, but really is a broken heater core. So this acts like a radiator where the engine coolant runs through it, and then a fan blows behind it and pulls, pushes the air through and then through your vents. But yeah, it's crazy. I mean, if you look on the outside, you wouldn't think it was bad, but you have the little hoses that run laterally from either side, just like a radiator. And obviously one of them is corroded, or got corroded and wore its way through the whole line. So basically, because it's everything down here, I'm assuming it's probably some line up at the top. So I'll go ahead and replace this. So that was a little quicker than I thought it'd be. So until next time, this is Christian Toth with Coachstop Motorworks. I'll see you later. Bye.